which we started with the English grammar. Our first topic is kinds of sentence. So first, what is mean by sentence? See here, you have definition. A sentence is a group of words that it makes complete sense and expresses a complete thought. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. It may end with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. See, for the identification of the sentence, we have to first see कि sentence जो है उसका क्या होता है. It is a group of word, एक group of words होता है, जिसकी complete sense आपको समझ में आती है कि what is the other person is trying to telling you. And the next thing is a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Sentence always capital letter से begin होता है. Then third is ends with a full stop. Full stop से end होता है. See, sometimes it's end with a question mark and sometimes is an exclamation mark. So, see, the fourth thing which is very important for the sentence. Sentence is a group of words which has complete sense. Second thing, it's always begin with the capital letter. Then third thing, it's end with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. Here you have example of sentence. My name is Shabana. See, the first letter is a capital letter and the sentence or group of words ends with a full stop. See the second, who are you? It is a question. Who are you? So see here also you can see the first letter is a capital letter and here the group of word and with a question mark, and you can understand what is the person trying to telling you. Then third is how beautiful is it? See here exclamation mark. So आपको इस थर्ड सेंटेंस का भी मतलब समझ में आ रहा है कि वो कितना ज़्यादा कितना खूबसूरत है. So it is sudden feeling which you expressed. So now the second thing, so there are 4 kinds of sentence. This sentence can be affirmative. Affirmative means positive type sentence और negative means जिसमें not never जैसे words आते हैं उनको negative sentence कहते हैं. Now see the first kind of sentence is it assertive sentence. An assertive sentence is a statement that gives some information. It always ends with a full stop. Assertive type is a simple sentence जिसमें आप कुछ information देते हैं, जिसमें आप कुछ statement बताते. For example, see here, I come from my house. आप ये बता रहे हो किसी को कि मैं कहाँ से आया हूँ, from my house. And second, my school name is Alialana English High School. So second sentence also showing the information about yourself कि your school name is Alialana English High School. Then the third sentence, see, my friend name is Jia. Then you are saying about your friend. आप बता रहे हो किसी को कि आपके फ्रेंड का नाम क्या है, जिया. So after assertive sentence, a new kind of sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, what is the definition of imperative sentence? An imperative sentence expresses a command or request or gives a suggestion or an instruction, or some advice. It always ends with a full stop. So the four things are very important in imperative sentence. You see, the first C expresses the command, then request, suggestion, instruction, and last is advice. If the sentence expresses these 5 things, that sentence is called imperative sentence. So here you have some example. See first, please give me your pen. It is a request. You can easily see in this sentence, the first person is requesting other person, please give me your pen. Sentence and with a full stop. Second, don't shout in class. This is a command order. Some person means one person is commanding other person, don't shout in class. See this sentence also and with a full stop. And first letter is a capital letter. See the third kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. And an interrogative sentence asks a question. It's begin with WH word, a helping verb, or modal auxiliary. It always ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentence is a very simple sentence. If you are asking question to someone, that sentence is called a interrogative sentence. For example, do you like this picture? See, this sentence always ends with a question mark and start with a capital letter. And the one important thing is interrogative sentence is always begin with a WH question. That means what, where, who, whom, when. Helping verb is are, am. Modal auxiliary can, could, should, like this. So आप किसी भी सेंटेंस में अगर क्वेश्चन करते हो तो उस सेंटेंस को कहते हैं इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. So our fourth and last kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. What is mean by the exclamatory sentence? It is a definition of exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses sudden or strong feelings. It always ends with an exclamation mark. See, exclamation mark means which mark? This mark. If you surprise sometime, if you shocked sometime, so you say some sentence. This sentence called exclamatory sentence, and this sentence always end with the exclamation marks. See, you have example. What a colorful sentence. See, first letter is a capital and the sentence end with the exclamation mark. The second example is that, how kind of you? First letter is a capital letter, the sentence end with the exclamation mark. This both the sentence expresses the sudden feeling and emotion. So student, these are your 4 kinds of sentence. Write definition in your notebook and try to write 4 example of each kind of sentence. Thank you.